Are you ready to witness construction like you've never seen before? These ingenious construction workers are taking the industry to a whole new level. Doing it with style and proving that nothing is impossible for true professionals. From dismantling scaffolding in a single motion to building roofs in the blink of an eye, they redefine what's possible in the world of construction. Stay tuned for a mind-blowing journey into their extraordinary skills and creativity. Number 10. The Scaffolding Wizard. Now, let's dive deep into our first extraordinary construction worker, the Scaffolding Wizard. Get ready to witness some serious magic in construction. The Scaffolding Wizard redefines the game when it comes to dismantling scaffolding. Unlike traditional methods that take hours and a team of workers, this magician of construction does it in a single breathtaking motion. The working system behind this incredible feat is a combination of impeccable balance, strength, and precision. The Scaffolding Wizard's deep understanding of the scaffolding structure allows him to identify the key points that hold it together. This astounding performance leaves onlookers in awe as they witness a process that typically takes hours being completed in a matter of seconds. It's a true spectacle of skill and mastery. Number 9. The Arboreal Accuracy Master. In the world of construction, precision is key, and now we're about to introduce you to the Arboreal Accuracy Master. This worker's skills are nothing short of astonishing, turning tree maintenance into a real work of art. The Arboreal Accuracy Master redefines the role of an arborist. What sets them apart is their unparalleled precision. Every cut, every trim is executed with impeccable accuracy. The working system behind their incredible accuracy involves in-depth knowledge of tree anatomy. They can identify weak branches, assess the tree's health, and understand how to shape it effectively. Armed with specialized tools, they make each cut count, ensuring the tree's health and longevity. It's like watching a surgeon at work, only in the world of trees. The Arboreal Accuracy Master's work not only enhances the tree's aesthetic, but also contributes to its overall well-being. It's a true testament to the synergy between skill and nature. Number 8. The Non-Procrastinating Roof Builders. Let's witness speed and efficiency like never before. We're about to introduce you to the Non-Procrastinating Roof Builders.
Now that the roof is complete, it looks really nice. We had a few people stop by.
They'll have that roof up before you can even blink. These construction professionals redefine the meaning of procrastination. When it comes to building roofs, they're lightning fast. What typically takes days, they complete in the blink of an eye. The secret behind their incredible pace lies in their exceptional teamwork, preparation, and precision. Each movement is well choreographed, with every worker knowing their role like the back of their hand. They used specialized tools and an efficient process to ensure that no time is wasted. It's a true spectacle of collaboration and dedication to the craft. The Non-Procrastinating Roof Builders not only save time, but also ensure the highest quality in their work. It's a combination of skill and efficiency that makes them a true force to be reckoned with.
But seeing this roof complete is really the icing on the cake. And then once this home is 100%, it'll be nice to see what this roof.
Number 7. The Flooring Virtuoso. It's time to step into a world where floors become canvases and challenges turn into art. Say hello to the Flooring Virtuoso, a true magician in the world of construction. The Flooring Virtuoso tackles any flooring challenge with unmatched grace. What sets them apart is their ability to turn ordinary flooring into masterpieces. It's like watching a painter at work, but with tiles and planks. Their working system involves an innate sense of design and meticulous attention to detail. They can take on any pattern, from intricate mosaics to eye-catching geometric designs, and execute them flawlessly. Armed with an array of materials and tools, they transform spaces, adding character and personality to every room they work on. It's a true fusion of craftsmanship and creativity. The Flooring Virtuoso doesn't just lay flooring, they elevate it to an art form. It's a testament to the idea that even the most practical aspects of construction can be turned into expressions of beauty. Are you finding the video valuable so far? If yes, then consider hitting the like and subscribe button, as it motivates us to keep bringing you amazing content. Don't leave the screen, you will miss out on what comes next. Number 6. The Fast Delivery Pipeline Specialist. The next genius to witness the epitome of efficiency and speed in construction.
Ways of a laborer are being knowledgeable and well-trained on Garni's safety practices.
We're about to introduce you to the Fast Delivery Pipeline Specialist, turning pipeline work into an awe-inspiring race against time. The Fast Delivery Pipeline Specialist is not your typical construction worker. They redefine how to clear pipelines swiftly, making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Their working system is a blend of precision, quick thinking, and the right tools. They know that delays can be costly, and their goal is to prevent freezing temperatures from damaging critical pipelines. Armed with specialized equipment, they ensure that the pipeline is cleared efficiently, making way for a seamless flow. It's a marvel of planning and execution. The Fast Delivery Pipeline Specialist's work ensures that vital services keep running without interruptions. It's a fusion of speed and expertise that keeps essential infrastructure functioning. Number 5. The Cable Management Maestros. We're about to introduce you to the Cable Management Maestros, where chaos turns into an orchestra of order. The Cable Management Maestros are the unsung heroes of construction sites. They don't just lay cables, they transform cable chaos into a symphony of organization.
The Skyhook cable support is made from a non-conductive plastic.
Their working system involves meticulous planning and a deep understanding of cable routing. They ensure that every cable is neatly placed, reducing the risk of accidents and making maintenance a breeze. Armed with their cable management tools, they create order where others see confusion. It's like watching a conductor lead an orchestra, only with wires and connectors.
Around, I kind of twist my fingers as I coil like this.
The Cable Management Maestros play a crucial role in maintaining the smooth operation of systems. Their work is a perfect example of how attention to detail can save time, money, and nerves. Number 4. The Stone Wall Sorcerer. Prepare to be amazed by the magic of construction. Today, we're introducing you to the Stone Wall Sorcerer, who conjures stunning stone walls seemingly out of thin air.
Stone masonry construction work.
The Stonewall Sorcerer takes the art of construction to a whole new level. Their working system is nothing short of enchanting. They create stone walls without using a single stone. Armed with specialized materials and skills, they sculpt intricate patterns and textures that mimic real stone. It's a testament to the boundless creativity and craftsmanship in construction. The Stonewall Sorcerer's work is a testament to human ingenuity, proving that construction is not just about bricks and mortar, but also about artistic expression. They turn ordinary walls into works of art, and it's truly magical to watch them in action. Number 3, the Tile Artisans. In the world of construction and interior design, few artisans are as revered and sought after as the Tile Artisans. These skilled craftsmen and craftswomen have dedicated their lives to the intricate art of tile installation, taking this seemingly mundane trade to an entirely new level. What sets tile artisans apart from their peers is their unwavering commitment to their craft. They are not merely laborers, but artists who meticulously plan and execute every aspect of their work. Their passion for their trade is evident in their attention to detail, creative vision, and dedication to perfection. When you see their finished products, you can't help but be mesmerized by the flawless patterns, breathtaking designs, and the overall aesthetics they bring to a space. They know how to work with various shapes, sizes, and textures, and they can expertly handle challenging installations like mosaics, intricate patterns, and 3D designs. Their understanding of color theory and composition allows them to transform a simple floor or wall into a stunning masterpiece. Their dedication, expertise, and creativity transform spaces into magnificent works of art, leaving an indelible mark on the world of interior design and construction. Their work not only enhances the aesthetic value of a space, but also brings a sense of luxury, sophistication, and personality that is truly unparalleled. Number 2, the Tunneling Titans. Beneath the bustling metropolises and expansive landscapes, there exists a world hidden from plain sight, a world shaped by the extraordinary skills of the Tunneling Titans.
Even the slightest delay in the schedule during the day means the concrete won't be cured by the following morning.
These individuals are the unsung heroes of modern engineering, dedicating their lives to the construction of intricate and massive tunnels that serve a multitude of purposes, from transportation to resource extraction, and even the provision of essential utilities. These tunneling experts are, quite literally, masters of subterranean engineering. They take on projects that many would consider insurmountable, including the excavation of tunnels through solid rock, the construction of massive underground transportation networks, and the development of subterranean storage facilities. One of the most remarkable qualities of the Tunneling Titans is their ability to combine cutting-edge technology with the time-tested techniques of tunnel construction. They are skilled in the operation of tunnel boring machines, which can dig through various geological formations with impressive precision. Most people utilize the products of their labor, such as subway systems, underground storage facilities, or water supply tunnels, without ever considering the massive effort and expertise that went into their creation. Yet, these subterranean spaces are critical for modern life, enabling efficient transportation, secure storage, and reliable access to essential resources. Their work represents a fusion of engineering mastery, innovation, and a deep understanding of the Earth's hidden secrets, making them true titans of subterranean engineering. Number 1. The Hydroseeding Heroes. In the quest to restore and revitalize the Earth's landscapes, there are a special group of individuals who have earned the moniker the Hydroseeding Heroes. These dedicated experts are at the forefront of a green revolution, using hydroseeding as their superpower to combat erosion, enhance ecological diversity, and transform barren lands into lush, thriving ecosystems. Hydroseeding is a remarkable and eco-friendly technique that involves spraying a slurry mixture of water, seeds, fertilizer, and often other additives over the soil to establish vegetation quickly. The Hydroseeding Heroes are the skilled individuals responsible for carrying out this method, and their work extends far beyond mere grass planting. These heroes begin their journey by assessing the specific needs of an area. Whether it's a recently excavated construction site, a denuded hillside, or a wildlife-scarred forest. They determine the ideal seed mix, considering the local climate, soil composition, and the intended purpose of the restored area. Their expertise allows them to select the right plant species to not only stabilize the soil, but also enrich the environment. The Hydroseeding Heroes embrace a green ethos. Their work embodies the principles of ecological restoration, combating deforestation, desertification, and the loss of natural habitats. By re-establishing vegetation on damaged lands, they contribute to carbon sequestration, air purification, and the overall well-being of our planet. The Hydroseeding Heroes are the unsung champions of ecological restoration, quietly and tirelessly working to create a greener, more sustainable world for us all. Wow, weren't those construction workers incredible? If you were impressed by their skills and creativity, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.